Hello, hello, hello wrestling fans, Stephen Mantis here as we are about to take a look at a very special handicap match between these two men. The Japanese Express, all the way from Osaka, Japan, led towards the ring by Jeremy Prophet, who is managing them tonight. And they have a huge task on their hands of beating down former WCW World Champion, former Tag Team Champion with his brother Rick Steiner. This man, Big Papa Pump Scott Steiner, as he comes out to the delight of this 3,000 plus crowd here tonight, who have all came to see this wonderful Great North Wrestling action. And here's Scott Steiner looking as pumped as ever, getting ready for this big handicap match. Of course, Scott Steiner has a huge rivalry with Canadian heavyweight champion Jeremy Prophet, and Jeremy Prophet brought these two Japanese men here tonight specifically to take out Big Papa Pump Scott Steiner, who has been a challenger to Prophet's title in the past, as we look at those huge guns of Steiner who are taking off the heads of these two Japanese Express number 1 and 2 right here, right now. Those are some hard, stiff blows to these men, as Scott Steiner laying in some chops, reminiscent of the great Ric Flair here tonight, to the delight of the crowd. And Scott Steiner showing off some belly-to-belly suplexes right now, as he takes out Japanese Express number 1 and then smashes the bicep right against the jaw of Japanese Express number 2, throws him off the rope. Another huge belly-to-belly suplex, and it looks like they are out already, as Jeremy Prophet getting frustrated on the outside. Prophet grabbing the wrestler by the mask, picking him up for a straight over suplex, showing off his amateur skills, former All-American amateur wrestler Scott Steiner. And it looks like we may see the Frankensteiner right here off the top rope, as he puts Japanese Express number 2 off the top. No, it's going to be a belly-to-belly off the top, as Japanese Express number 2 falls 10 to 15 feet to his back. Steiner now pulling Japanese Express member number 1 on top of number 2, and that's all she wrote. Scott Steiner is victorious here with an easy victory, and Jeremy Prophet is not happy. He is going to have to face Scott Steiner, and it looks like Steiner almost launching these Japanese Express members directly at Prophet, showing him his distaste for this match. Scott Steiner, just a massive wrestler, phenomenal technician, great amateur skills. He says Prophet's next. GreatNorthWrestling.ca is our website, check it out.